How to get free shipping on Cnfans. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to get free shipping on Cnfans. So there are lots of ways on how to get free shipping. Number one is that look for free shipping promotions. So check if Cnfans is currently offering any free shipping promotions. This could be limited time deals or specific events where they waive shipping costs. You can usually find such promotions on the homepage or banner ads within the platform. Number two, join membership program. If Cnfans has a loyalty card or premium membership, joining that may grant you access to free shipping on all or selected orders. Number three, use free shipping coupons. Search for free shipping coupons that you can apply at checkout. Cnfans may offer such codes during promotions or special events. Keep an eye on their official site, newsletter, or social media channels for coupon announcement. Next is special offers during holidays or events. During certain holidays or shopping events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Chinese New Year, many e-commerce platforms offer free shipping as part of their sales. Check for such events on Cnfans. You can also do bundle orders together. You can refer friends. Some platforms offer free shipping as part of their referral program. And then last is contact customer support. If you're unsure whether you're eligible for free shipping, you can contact Cnfans customer support to inquire about ongoing offers or promotions related to shipping. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.